Alright, cool. So first off, you're going to want to thread the yarn through the needle. This was a lot easier than a mask because the yarn is a lot thinner. Then you're just going to get a bunch of yarn to use to go all the way around the shirt, basically. So it's exactly the same method as the mask. Like, we're just going to go in through the back, out, in, making loops. So what I did here is I tied the knot like 2 or 3 times. So when you pull it back through the front, it's not going to come through the holes. So depending how big the holes are that you have, you can either make it bigger or smaller.
With a stamina, I might just run it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Find me in a deep boy, oh yeah. Diving in a deep boy, oh yeah. Slide, rig, toffee, muffin pig. Slide, rig, toffee. You mean to the bang. I gotta beat it back, yeah. I was thinking about rats. I knew that I needed now, yeah. Hoping some Nubian queen with premium, oh yeah. Hear me out, I got some reasons I can't explain.
So what you do when you come back out, you go to the hole like right next to where you came out, go back in, and then carry on. When you come back out, go to the hole where you want the loop to be. It could be quite far away. And then as you can see here, so that sort of locks it in a bit more. So, you know, the loops aren't like pulling back in and they kind of stay out. You know what I mean? So yeah, I just do that all the way around, 360, self-explanatory. For this one, I kind of made the loops more spaced out than a mask because I felt like on a mask it was cool, but there was a bit too much. So I spaced them out more here and I think it looks quite cool actually. So I would definitely recommend one of these like mannequin things. It made it so much easier rather than just having a shirt on your lap, like doing this for hours. It was so much easier on this. I know the people who do this, like crochet, knitting, like they've been known about this stuff, but I'm like, I'm here making these videos on a DIY. I'm like, oh my days, this is lit. Like, how have I never thought of this? But these people have been using it forever. And then lastly, the same way we made a knot when we started, we make a knot on the end to lock that last bit in, and then we pull that out. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Drew, how I feel, Drew, how I feel, and he was pushing that choco, and he was pushing that choco, and he was pushing that choco. And he was pushing that choco, and he was pushing that choco, and he was pushing that. What's your deal? What's your You smell like the hills. Treat trick or treat, oh, he messed with Grim Reaper. Oh, blood dripping, I'm sniffing. Oh, Scarlet Kiss, call the cleaner. Oh, run it back, get the bleach. Get cool, you can't escape. Try pull me down cause it can't relate. You need to wake up and go wash your face.
Cool, so that's pretty much it. I literally just went all the way around, like spiraled down the shirt, making loops. So yeah, now I'm gonna go into the previews of how the shirt looks, wearing it, and on the mannequin as well.
I was pushing that choco, I was pushing that choco, into the taco, switch into the. I'm running around like a centipede. You ain't talking, don't remember me. Never those times you remembered me. And he was pushing that choco, and he was pushing that choco, and he was pushing that choco, and he was pushing that.
Alright, boom. So if you like that video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I got a whole lot of heat coming. So many video ideas I'm about to drop. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bah!